Thank you all for joining for this week's Dental Venture Capital Pitch. We've got some exciting companies that are pitching today. We've got Sam Rockwood from Woods, Lauren Fang from MedAssent DDS, Chad Rasmussen from ToothPillow, Matthew Hernandez from OneClick Referral, and Michael Negru from EnvoDent. For those that don't know me, my name is Travis Rodgers. I am the founder and CEO of DrDDS. I started in dental about 20 years ago, and we're a dental venture studio. One of our main brands, which is the focus today, is really helping startups find investors, advisors, customers, and partners. We take startups from idea all the way through to exit.
So what OneClick Referral is, catch line for OneClick Referral is never lose another patient. So what's the problem? Lost revenue. When you send a patient out, what happens? Patients lose their referral. I don't know how many times I've had this happen to where a patient goes to a practice and they don't have a clue. So what OneClick Referral does, essentially, again, you never lose another referral. What the company is looking to raise is $2.5 million to develop market and for sales.
All right. Chad from ToothPillow.
Awesome. Thanks, Travis. Good to be with everybody here. My name's Chad Rasmussen. I'm the founder and CEO of ToothPillow, and I'm excited to share this with you today. There's over 1 billion people worldwide who have underdeveloped or small jaws. Now, those small jaws can lead to sleep and breathing disorders, which can be life-threatening. So at ToothPillow, we solve that. To dive a little bit deeper into the problem, here's obviously just a visual indicator of a small jaw, retruded chin, retrognathia, etc. And when the jaws are back, the functional airway space is compromised, and so it's difficult to breathe. ToothPillow, it's a platform for screening. We then offer personalized treatments and virtual support to promote this. We've been in business for 2 years. Currently, we're generating $1 million a month in new treatment revenue, and we're just getting started.
Up next, we've got Sam Rockwood from Woods. And Sam is also part of the Dental Venture Capital Program. He's got a great product, some great feedback on the initial concept of what he's working on here.
I spent 12 years working for large insurance companies, from Humana to Delta Dental, and I saw firsthand how these billion-dollar insurance companies would mistreat individual practices. And so we're going to talk a little bit about how this works, that most of the payments from insurance are coming in the mail. And this is not ideal because there's a significant delay. We already talked about how this is a huge waste of paper and postage. EFT could be the best way to get paid. It is the fastest and most secure, but we need an easier way to enroll, and we need an easier way to reconcile. And so that's where Woods comes in. And our first 2 products that we're launching this year are the Woods Enrollment and the Woods Dashboard. Woods Enrollment, pretty simple. You tell us the insurance companies you want to get paid EFT for, and then plan is to launch the public site in October. And we are currently talking with potential investors, and we'll wrap up seed funding in November once we have the site live and a handful of customers.
I'm Lauren. I'm the president and co-founder of MedAssent DDS, and we're on a mission to end smile denial. What does that mean? Well, imagine a patient, let's call her Ellie, sees her dentist and gets prescribed Motrin for pain. What the dentist doesn't recognize, though, is that she's already taking another NSAID medication, Celebrex, and mixing the two causes a stomach bleed so serious that she ends up in the hospital needing 2 units of blood. And so we launched our V1 in April, and we've honestly been thrilled by the positive response. And the 65 dental providers currently using our product love how much time it saves them, and how it provides peace of mind regarding safety and liability. And we just opened our 1 million pre-seed round to build and launch our AI and accelerate our go-to-market strategy.
And this is all about at-bats. And I mean, more than anything, what we're doing here is trying to build a community around the startups and the support. It's not just about the money and the investment, but it's also advisors and industry experts and helping further the market through innovation. And that's what entrepreneurship is all about. Excited to see the innovations that are going on in the dental industry.